Hello everybody, my name is Alesh Eisner and welcome to the Canadian Money Talk, the channel about Canadian investing and personal finance. Please like and subscribe. I record 2 videos per week, so make sure you ring the notification bell to be notified each time one comes out. This video is my weekly thoughts on market happenings for the week ending October 15, 2021. All US and Canadian markets were up for the week, as well as oil, so that is great news for Canadian investors. There are supply chains issues and disruptions in many industries, not just semiconductors anymore. And this may last for a year or years, depending on who you talk to. The Port of Los Angeles is to run 24 hours per day, 7 days per week to burn off some of the backlog. Service industries are still having issues finding workers, but the US jobless claims fell below 300,000 for the first time since the pandemic began. Natural gas prices hit 13-year highs, and the increased demand for energy is driving the market. For the first time since 2014, US oil prices are above $80 per barrel, so this is helping Canadian oil companies. The tapering of bond buying in the US is expected in November, with the US Fed slowing their buying of federal bonds, which has been keeping their yields low. The tapering should be completed by the end of next year at the latest, but the US Fed will still hold the bonds on their balance sheet. Note that mortgage interest rates come from the bond market, both in US and Canada, for fixed rate mortgages. And so increased bond yields, when the tapering slows and stops, will affect real estate mortgages and real estate, which is a significant part of the economy both in Canada and the US. Canada, just to note, has been tapering their bond buying already. In the US, the earnings reporting has started for the quarter. Canada is going to be starting next week. And in the US, so far so good. Companies are exceeding estimates. Inflation, which up until now has been thought of as perhaps transitory, is looking more and more permanent. And Bank of Canada may start raising interest rates. As Canadian interest rates go up, the Canadian dollar is going to get stronger, and variable interest rates and variable interest rate mortgages are going to go up as well. Looking forward to next week. Next week's happenings are that Canadian stocks are going to begin their quarterly reports next week. Canadian housing starts report, and there's going to be a business outlook survey on Monday. On Wednesday, we're going to hear about the Canadian Consumer Price Index, and on Friday, we are going to get a retail sales report. So if you have any questions on what you'd like me to cover in future videos, please put that into the comment section. Please like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and may you have a profitable day.